The Spaceship app delivers a beginner-friendly investing experience built around clarity, automation, and long-term growth. The first standout feature is its streamlined onboarding. New users can create an account in minutes, verify their identity, and immediately access a simple dashboard that highlights portfolio options, asset allocations, and performance data in clear terms. This makes it easy for beginners to start investing without feeling overwhelmed. Spaceship's automated investing tools offer another major advantage. Once a user chooses a portfolio, the app automatically manages contributions, portfolio rebalancing, and adjustments based on market movement. This reduces the need for manual decision-making while ensuring investments stay aligned with long-term goals. Beginners benefit from this hands-off structure because it minimizes emotional trading and market timing mistakes. Spaceship also prioritizes transparency. Every investment option includes a detailed breakdown of companies inside the portfolio, historical performance, management approach, and relative risk levels. Seeing exactly where money goes builds confidence and trust for first-time investors. The low barrier to entry is another key feature. Users can begin with small amounts, track their progress in real time, and gradually increase contributions as they grow more comfortable. With no confusing menus or aggressive upsells, the app provides an honest, gentle start to investing. Spaceship's performance insights are designed for clarity rather than complexity. Charts and growth indicators focus on progress over time, helping beginners understand how consistent contributions drive long-term value. The app also provides market explanations written in plain language, ensuring users stay informed without navigating jargon-heavy financial reports. Security is reinforced through encrypted transactions, biometric login, and secure data storage. Users can invest confidently knowing their account is protected at every step. Spaceship brings simplicity, automation, and transparency together, giving beginners a smooth pathway into long-term investing with easy tools and clear guidance.